This year, I'm going to combine Rubik's Cubes and chemistry by reciting the periodic table while solving 6 Rubik's Cubes. And there's a 6. Today I'm going to solve a 2x2, a 3x3, a 3x3 with one hand, a pyramid cube or pyramids, a slanted cube or a skew, and a 4x4. So let's get started. And by the way, that periodic table of elements is for you all, not for me tonight. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon, potassium and calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, and chromium, and manganese. Iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton, rubidium, and strontium, then yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium, indium, tin, antimony, then tellurium and iodine, and xenon, and then cesium, barium, lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, and terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, lutetium, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, rhenium, osmium, and iridium, platinum, gold, mercury, thallium, and lead, bismuth, polonium, acetine, radon, francium, radium, actinium, thorium, protractinium, uranium, neptunium, and plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, fermium, mendelevium, nobelium, lawrencium, rutherfordium, dubnium, seaborgium, borium, hassium, meitnerium, dunstadium, rhongenium, copernicium, nihonium, flarerobium, moscovium, livermorium, tennessine, and oganesson. We're done.